WAAY 31i team is sifting through misinformation, confusion, and complaints over a 2010 health guideline that states people with severe mental disabilities should not be given a ventilator in a pandemic like the type we're in. And this is a direct quote from the state's 2010 ventilator triage guidelines in a mass casualty event. It says persons with severe or profound mental retardation, moderate to severe dementia, or catastrophic neurological complications such as persistent vegetative states are unlikely candidates for ventilator support. That's a direct quote. The coronavirus pandemic led to advocacy groups filing complaints about it. WAAY 31's Brecken Terry took their concerns directly to the Department of Health. Brecken.
Yeah, guys, the moment I found these documents, I called the Public Health Department, and they told me that they recently updated these guidelines, and that's all they are, is guidelines. The ultimate decision on who gets a ventilator and who doesn't is up to the doctor. The Department of Public Health directed me to its new guidelines for triage. That graph is on your screen right now, and it explains if a doctor knows someone cannot survive, give them pain relief and move on to someone who can be saved. The verbiage in the new plan, dated February 2020, says, "All people deserve equal respect, and with this in mind, the allocation of care cannot discriminate based on anything that is not directly relevant to the eligibility of individuals to receive care," which is a stark contrast from the 2010 plan. It basically said people with severe mental or neurological disabilities wouldn't be good candidates for a ventilator if there's a shortage. The Alabama Disabilities Advocacy Program filed a complaint last week over the 2010 guideline. Now, I reached out to the program's attorney to see if it was aware that these guidelines had recently changed before they filed that complaint. I have not heard back from them yet. I also called the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Office of Civil Rights. It told me that it does not comment on open or possible investigations or complaints. Live in Florence, Brecken Terry, WAAY 31 News.